Come on in. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another video. Okay, if you're new here and you don't know me, let me tell you that I am Dhani and today I'm finally gonna be giving you guys a room tour. So you guys have seen my room at home and you loved the room tour videos so much. But since the time I've moved out from home and I've come here for my college, every second comment on my channel is people asking me for my new room tour. So today, here finally I am filming one for you guys. I literally am trying since such a long time to film this, but for some reason वो हो ही नहीं पाता है. ये तक हुआ है that the previous day I've cleaned my entire room so that I can film the video the next day, but then something just happens and I just was not able to do it. Today also it was not gonna be happening because I was like दिन चला गया, how would I shoot it at night? But then I was just like no, it's gonna be happening today. So here I am finally making this one for you guys. एक सांस में कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल गई, but yeah, you guys have seen my room थोड़ा बहुत in my videos, like in the shorts and everything, but today I'm gonna be giving you a proper inch by inch tour of it, telling you guys that कहाँ पे क्या चीज़ें हैं and everything you're gonna be getting to know. I will be taking you through my whole entire room and I am so super excited for it. I hope that you are too because it's gonna be fun. Also a little disclaimer that वैसे तो my room is almost always clean, but आज I just went an extra mile to clean every single thing. So you guys better don't be in Delulu. Now my room is waiting to see you guys. So let's just get started. Okay, so this is the door where you enter my room from. Now come on in. Okay, so then right beside the door, the first thing that you'll see in my room is this plant. This basically is a peace lily plant. It's an indoor plant that I've kept here and I've kept it on this wooden stool. And then right beside the door, I've got my desk space here. And now I'm gonna be giving you a quick tour of my desk space. So right here I've got this plug point and ये charge वगैरह करने में it's very handy. Then यहाँ पे I've put in a few posters. यहाँ पे I also have my college timetable and then a few other posters that I got printed from Pinterest. Then यहाँ पे I've got a lot of stuffs actually जो कि I've been using as decor. तो यहाँ पे I've got these crochet flowers and then इसमें I've got my brush pens. यहाँ पे I have this very pretty lamp जो कि अभी charge नहीं है. And then नीचे भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. Here I have my water bottle. And then this painting that I painted by myself, I just love it so much, so I just keep it here only on my desk. And यहाँ पे I've got this vertical stand जिसमें I've got a lot of pens that I use on a daily basis. यहाँ पे I've got a few books that I'm reading currently. यहाँ पे कुछ मेरे journals भी हैं. And then I have my iPad, my headphone here. Everything that I use on a daily basis is basically kept on my desk. Then I have this lamp which is just straight out of Pinterest. Then I also have got this pen that I got from Mr. DIY. This just looks so cute. यहाँ पे I've got my octopus. Right here I've got this drawer which is from Miniso and इसमें I've kept a few of my random stuffs. यहाँ पे कुछ scrapbooking की चीज़ें हैं. Then नीचे I've got a few of my sticky notes and washi tapes. This candle as well I got from Miniso. यहाँ पे I've got a few of my journals, my 2025 planner, all the notebooks and stuffs that I use. I've also got my camera here. So that was all about how my desk space looks like. This time I've just tried to make it more functional so that I can just sit here, do my work, study and everything. I hope I look studious enough sitting right here. But anyways, moving on. Also, this is the chair. Desk tour is now done. Moving on. Right beside my desk, I've got this storage card that I got from IKEA. This is how it looks and it's actually quite functional. Giving you a quick tour of everything that's in here. So यहाँ पे I've got a lot of my diaries, journals and stuffs. यहाँ पे I've got a few random things and also this mirror ball. Then I've got this fake plant here which looks very pretty and also this crochet sunflower keychain. Then यहाँ पे there are a few random stuffs. Then नीचे I've got a lot of random things actually. यहाँ पे I've kept a lot of my stickers and then पीछे भी there are a lot of miscellaneous things actually. There's my camera bag and सबसे नीचे I keep my notebooks that I take to college. I have my mic and then I have a lot of my painting supplies. I also have my college bag right here. Okay, then right beside the storage card I've kept my tripod here and then here's another indoor plant. This just looks so super pretty. यहाँ पे जब धूप आती है it's literally the most beautiful space. Then इस पूरे wall में I've placed these rice lights. Here's my vision board and उसके नीचे I've just put these mirror balls again. I'm clearly obsessed with mirror balls as you can see. Then मेरे room का एक side जो है this isn't a wall. This whole thing actually is a sliding. Yeah, this is how the outside looks like. It's cold outside. Closing this now. And then these curtains I got very randomly. I may in future change them, but as of now it's this beige and brown combination. But then coming to my favorite part, जहाँ पे मैं almost अपना पूरा दिन बिताती हूँ, which is my bed. So this time I actually just got this low bed because my room is a bit small. So I just didn't want कि bed जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा space ले. So this whole low bed situation works out the best and it just looks so cute. This actually I got custom made from a furniture store. Then bed पे I've got my comforter right here. Then here I've got two of these cushions. The first one says let's stay in bed, which I would obviously love to. Then यहाँ पे I've got these two of my favorite plushies. I have a pillow and then वहाँ पे भी I've got a plug point जिससे I've connected my lamp. Okay, also like above the bed I've put these posters. These are a few random ones that I like resonate a lot with, तो मैंने उसको यहाँ पे लगा रखा है. I also have put these vine leaves here. Then beside the bed I've got this lamp. This exact kind of lamp I had back at home as well. इस पे भी I've put a few stuffs. Let me quickly show it to you. So it has this thing which says home because this is my home. Then यहाँ पे I've got this pouch. इसमें I keep my mic. And then I have a diary of mine which just comes handy. And then नीचे I've got a lot of my random stuffs जैसे कि मेरा charger. I've got comb, and then I also have got my body lotion, and then पीछे there's the extension. Okay, then here I've got this little vanity space of mine. So I got this round mirror. This I got from DIY. Then यहाँ पे I've kept a few things. Let me actually light this on. Why isn't it turning on? The battery really. So yeah, I've just kept it here. It looks very pretty. Then यहाँ पे I've got a few of my products that I use on a daily basis. I've also kept these crocheted sunflowers here in this vase. And then यहाँ पे I've put in a few of my bracelets and stuff. यहाँ पे I've got a few of my perfume. I've got my watch here. यहाँ पे कुछ मेरी स्किन केयर की चीज़ें हैं. And then this drawer as well I got from IKEA. इसको बनाने में हमारी जो हालत ख़राब हुई है, what do I tell you? It's a bit messy but still let me give you a quick tour. So I just put all of my makeup products here and then अंदर कुछ और भी essential चीज़ें हैं. There are a few of my brushes and then नीचे भी I've kept a lot of stuffs. All in all, this actually is a cluttered situation. Beside the vanity, the last thing that I've got in my room is my cupboard. So this basically is my sister's cupboard. This right here is my cupboard and I'm just gonna be giving you a little overview of how it looks. I have this cutie teddy bear that I just did hang here. Okay, now opening my cupboard, this is how it looks. It's pretty organized and that's the reason I'm showing it to you. But yeah, this is how my cupboard situation is. I've got a lot of clothes. That was it for the overview of my cupboard. And then मेरे cupboard के ऊपर there are a few random things that are lying.